exactly as per the technical specifications.
The submarine trial team has put Vela to her paces during the trials to ensure she is combat ready on commissioning.
Armed with modern weapons, an advanced sonar and combat system, Vela also has an ultra-quiet propulsion system.
To me, technology is only as good as the talent that puts it to work.
Down in the deep, there are no second chances. The crew ensures that they and the boat are always mission ready. And now, it's time to step out and put Vela to sea.
How much is correct, sir?
Very good. Let go line.
Hi, sir. Let go all line. Forward casing, aft casing. Let go all line.
Vela's primary objective is to engage the enemy.
That is why we train hard, so that we can deliver when it matters.
We have a target on bearing 090. All positions, dive, dive, dive.
Dive, dive, dive.
Target parameters acquired, sir.
Very good. Fire W81 and 2.
W81 and 2, fired, sir.
As Vela charts a new course, the crew embodies her motto of being vigilant, valiant, and victorious.